Welcome back, guys. Let's check on our system, church management system. Today we are going to sign in as a secretary. We check on the roles of the secretary into our system. So I'm going to sign in. As a secretary, you have the roles, or you can be given permissions by the system administrator to manage announcements, to manage children, be able to enroll, be able to check attendances, member group attendances, enrollment into groups, available classes, study resources, be able also to manage contributions and the funds, and also enrollments, and also be able to check on the frequently asked questions so that you can post to your church members, be able to manage groups, classes, and the ministries, group users, and also be able to make your own notes and manage them. So we check on announcement, like another module we checked, could be able to preview announcement, make new announcement for the church, which will be visible to the other end of the church users. Is the way to make the announcements. Announcement title, if it's published, or scheduling, you schedule when if there is a banner, and also add more details about the announcement. We check on the certificates. How many certificates we have earned. Right now we have no certificate. You can be able to check on the Sunday school module. The secretary can be able to check on the Sunday school modules, available children, and the classes they have been enrolled in, statuses of those children, males, females, and be able to enroll new child to the system. They will be able to select the parent, the owner of that child, which is searchable. These are the parents of the church. Then you can be able to insert the child details. You can be able to upload the profile image of that child. You can be able to insert additional information like child interest, if the child has allergies, if the child has special needs, etc. Attendance register, you can be able to check on attendances of members onto groups or even children. Children attend Sunday school. You also have capability to export this data. We have Sunday school classes, like we checked on the previous modules. As a secretary, you can enroll a child into a new Sunday and also be able to register, to record if a child has attended certain class. For example, the child name, you select the class where that child has been enrolled. Remember, this will preload based on the enrolled classes of that child. You can see this one, Gilbert has been enrolled in child Young Disciples class. So you can be able to check to enroll to record that attendance to be timely. The time will be auto-picked. You can be able to manage the enrollments. You enroll children into different Sunday school classes. You can also be able to manage those Sunday school classes. This one you can be able to view and delete and also make new classes. You can be able to prepare study resources for those children based on the Sunday school, maybe beginner class, teen class, junior class. You make those guide notes for those children. Let's check on the module of contributions. Like we checked on the other hand, a church makes contributions towards funds which are maybe construction fund, maybe there's an event fund, maybe there's a touring fund, etc. There's a mission fund, etc. So as a secretary, you can be able to record those funds or even export report about already contributed funds. Like you can be able to, you have received some contribution from a member, amount he has contributed to insert, the fund type is contributing towards which fund, scholarship fund. Then here you be, if it's cut, you insert there, then you create that. Then we check on the other thing is about enrollment, program enrollment. You can be assigned a role of enrolling members into certain groups or classes. Here you see these are the users, current users. You can be able to enroll them into members. You can be able to check also the frequently asked questions about your organization. You can be able to make new etc. You can be able to check on groups of that church administration. We have been groups you can be able to view. You can be able to view members, but you cannot be able, you're not given the permission to delete those groups. So the administrator can have the right of deleting them. You can be able to engage new users into a certain group. This one you create and you enroll a new member to a certain group. Select the user. Now this one will load only groups where this user has not be enrolled. You enroll that user and also their role, their solicitor leader, etc. You can be able to make your personal notes in this church system. Like this one is this preloads only your data. So this one now will preload your data. And you can also make new data note. This one keeps you can be able to reference in near future or whenever you need a tip or guide. You can also be able to manage your bio information. You can be able to change on attendances, etc. Who was attendance what and which event. You can be able to make new attendance. You can be also able to export those attendances based on the records you need. So, well, this is a good for the church secretary. It automates almost everything, makes management simple. Thank you. Let's meet the next video.